I'm just gonna call it a day and do my review. So this morning I took a back through open. So we had this pre-market level that was also a very significant daily level, and it popped up right into this area and then did a back through open. So I was really looking for a gap give and go to come into this level and then put a few inside bars and then break. But I just had a back through open just in case it didn't give me that. And then that's exactly what happened is it just failed and went back through open after getting close to this level. And so I just took a quarter into this level as it started to, be oversold a little bit and get some extension behind it. And then it immediately popped back up on big volume. So I took half as it did that, basically a prior bar break here. Then it started to consolidate and it did this crazy thing where it just, in like a half a second, it just went like I don't know, it just skipped prices. It was crazy. Not really seeing anything like that. So this happened just as the candle was closing. And then so I just exited immediately when that happened. And then it put in the highest volume candle of the day, shot right back up. And I took a stupid trade here. I took this as a VWAP continuation. So, I mean, it had the highest volume. I kind of talked myself into this because it had the highest volume candle of the day here, which was a big wick. And then it started to consolidate and then break through this low. So just had a pretty wide stop here. And then it just gets rebid, breaks down again, and I just felt like this was a dumb trade, so I just got out of this trade. I took this as sort of a view of continuation, I guess, but I took it on really small size. So really, these are the type of trades that I want to cut out of my trading. I know whenever I'm taking something on small size because I have it's kind of a dumb trade. I don't have good conviction on it. And so instead of just wasting my mental capital taking them on small trades, small size, I just need to not take them at all. So I'm not happy, about this trade. But other than that, I mean, those are the only two trades I took today. So I feel like, I was 50-50 on selectivity today. This back through open, I haven't taken one of these back through opens in a long time, but now we're back in earnings season, so I guess they're back into play. I think I'm at like 5% on my back through opens, so maybe I should bump them to maybe 10%. But I think for a long time, back through opens weren't really working that well. So maybe I just need to be a little bit more selective on how back through opens play out. But this was I feel like a nice back through open. I don't like that if you would have put your stop at break even, you would have got wicked out in one candle. This weird price action. It also had a late open. You can see that here. So this overall price action today, I feel like from UPS is very strange, very gappy and skippy, and it's doing like 10 RVol. With 7.6 million shares. So just found the price action really strange today. But overall, not a lot of opportunity, I think, today. And so this, I feel like, was the best opportunity, this back through open. So just need to think about sizing on it. And I was looking at getting out here. This was my stop, actually. And it's just weird how it went, like, skipped. So I'm going to watch this again on film. I encourage you guys to watch it as well, so you can see how truly strange this price action was. But selectivity, again, don't like this one. So basically I was 1 for 1. So it was at 50%. That's an F on selectivity. No, selectivity is probably like a B, I guess. B minus. So this morning I am looking at UPS. I had earnings, negative guidance, um, and it's gapping down this morning, down 11%. Is really looking for, play off of this area of like 133, but it's been selling before that. So now looking for, if you get really lucky, it would come up into like this 133, 134 area again and then fail. Um, so I'd be looking for that. But otherwise, I'll be looking for maybe a second chance off of the opening range break or maybe a 9 EMA pullback or VWAP continuation. This is my main watch today. I also am keeping an eye on IWM, which was kind of strong yesterday, Tesla, and CRWD. All right, so definitely like a late open. Like a 30-cent spread. We're coming right into that level again. And I'll just have a back through open here just in case, but really I would like it to put in a couple of inside bars or at least come in touch this level, but we'll see. So to get it back through open, and we kind of have this just this low area here, which we'll see if we get a bounce off of this level. Ideally, it would kind of put in an opening range break. CRWD, wow, really tanking. Yeah, versus yesterday. We're at 127. We just took a quarter. And I just took a half here. So it looks like there's a lot of buying here. And curious to see what's going to happen. Are we going to, come retest the 9 EMA? We're going to come do a second chance. Things like this, like right at the open, like I'm always looking, like if I'm not involved in a move like this, I'm always going to be looking for, a VWAP continuation or something. So in order for me to get a VWAP continuation, it needs to develop a base and then eventually come back. I think this is a pretty big level of support of the daily. It's actually like I think a little bit higher. I think it's a pretty big support level on the daily. And the next big support level is at this like 123.50-ish area. So this is like my other target down here. We're just going to see what it's going to do on the 9 EMA. Just keep my eye on CRWD. So holding the 9 EMA. I think if it aggressively goes through the 9 EMA, like this is like 32 or something, 46, 44. There, the almost the 9 EMA touches. Wow. What the heck? This was the highest volume bar of the day. I'll just take this as a very low risk sort of a VWAP continuation, which is like working immediately. So Hmm. Okay, well, this is definitely 97, so it definitely shouldn't go back above here. And I don't want to see this trend hold neither. This is trading like very strangely. I want to see these guys get knocked out, so 126.95. I just don't want to be part of this. This is a dumb trade. I'm taking it on small size. Like, why am I taking trades on small size? It's not a traditional VWAP continuation, that's why I'm not taking it on large size.